Hello everyone, my name is Beth and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make special puto with cheese and salted egg. Prepare all the ingredients. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, a can of evaporated milk, 1 cup of butter, 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, cheese, 2 salted eggs, and a drop of vanilla flavor. Heat the pan and set it on low fire. Add the batter and let it melt. Get a big mixing bowl. Add the eggs, water, milk, sugar, and the batter. Use a hand mixer to stir the ingredients well. Add the flour, baking powder, and a drop of vanilla extract. Stir all the ingredients until it becomes thick and creamy. Use another big mixing bowl and a strainer. Pour the mixture and let it drain. Cut the cheese and salted eggs into thin slices. Scoop the mixtures into the moldings and then put it in the steamer pan. Put the water in the steamer, turn on the stove, and set it on high fire. When the water starts to boil, lower the heat to medium. And now let's start steam the mixture. Cover it with the lid and steam it for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, add the cheese and salted eggs on top. Continue and steam it for another 7 minutes. Remove the steamer and transfer the puto to a serving plate. Finally, it's ready to serve. It's time to taste the yummy puto with cheese and salted egg. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all learned how to make your own yummy puto cheese and salted egg. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.